How to create a rental website in Wix. So first, all you have to do is go to wix.com and then create an account. So if you don't have an account, you can create an account using your email address, your password, or you can just easily connect your Google to your Wix. So this is what it looks like. And here on your Wix dashboard, you will see all of the templates and sites that you have and haven't published. So you can easily edit it anytime. So basically, this is what it looks like. And since our tutorial is how to create a rental website, all you have to do is tap on create new site right here. Okay, so here the first thing you should see is this create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agencies and freelancers. You have two options here if you want to try the Wix Studio, which is for advanced learners. So if you know already how to use Wix, then I suggest to try this Wix Studio for advanced features. But as a beginner, you can also try this create on Wix editor so that everything will be smooth and easy. So for me, I tap this second one here. So Wix will suggest to ask a help from AI to set up a store or ask a design, but you can also set up without chat, which I strongly suggest. So click on the second one here, set up without chat. Now you will see this what type of website they want to create. So for rentals, I like to try party and themes. I like to try party and event rental. So I'm going to type it right here. Or you can just basically tap on the event. Tap this one right here. So you have your option, event management or event announcement and so on. So let's look for something that is party. Or you can also type it. So actually you can try this event planner right here, but I'd rather choose this party rental company. Okay, and then after that, tap on continue. And then here you will see the start setting up your store. So basically I'm going to add my store name here or the rental company or business that you're about to open. So so this is the name of my rental website, Golden Hour Rentals. After that, tap on continue, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So Wix will ask you, do you already have an online store? You can choose no, I'm just starting out. Yes, I'm already selling online. So as a beginner, you can tap on no, I'm just starting out, and then tap on continue. Then you will be asked what kind of products are you selling? So you can tap on physical products, digital products. If you're planning also to do print on demand or print on demand products in the future, you can also tap this one right here, services and drop shipping. But for our tutorial, it's all about rental websites. So we can choose the first one right here, like physical products. Tap on continue. And then how are you offering your products? Online store, which is our rental website, in person. You can also, or the customer can also reach us through marketplaces and social media. And you can also tap this mobile application. But for the meantime, let's just choose this three and then tap on continue. So you are all set. You can head over to the dashboard to finish setting up your site. Tap on continue dashboard or continue to dashboard. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And then here it is, your rental website dashboard. Now, let me remind you that whatever you add here on your dashboard, this serves as or what you call independent dashboard. So whatever you set up here, like the payment method, sales, catalog, applications, and so on, it will not affect other website or other sites that you haven't finished yet. So it's like an independent dashboard. And all you have to do here is to follow all of this to set up your rental website. So first is update your site. And now if you have your domain, then all you have to do is tap on connect a custom domain right here. You can tap let's go. If you have already, then just click this one and then paste or enter your domain right here. After that, you can set up your payment methods. Tap this one. So here is your payment method. So sometimes it depends on your location. So there are several ways on how to accept payment. So since your location is this, then you can basically connect your Visa, you can connect your Stripe, and connect it to any of your bank account right here. You can also simply connect your Wix to your PayPal, just tap on connect and just connect your PayPal. Don't worry, Wix is a safe platform. And also manual payments. If you tap connect right here, then basically you can receive payment types. For example, manual, all you have to do is tap this one, add instruction, cash payment, add instruction here, offline payment, just add instruction, cash on delivery, add instruction here, and then after that, tap on connect. So once you're done setting up your payment, you can now add your first product right here. Okay, so now you can add your product right here. All you have to do is tap on new product, physical product, tap this one. So what you're going to do is you have to add images. And if you have your video, add the information right here, description, and then the pricing per rent. Okay, you can just basically add more information. After that, tap on save. So once you have added your products right here, suppose, you can now go back and proceed to the next step. Let's just say you have your site, you have your domain, you have updated your payment method, you have your products. Um, let's also try this as shipping and delivery. But actually, this one, if you have or if you are selling something like other materials or items aside from rental services, so you can just set up this one right here. And for now, if it's at this get found on Google, if you tap on this get started, basically, you just have to follow the step right here, like the SEO setup checklist. You have to follow this one, and then you can start your SEO journey to get found on Google. Okay, so you will see here in progress, or once it is successful, then you will be notified about that. So you can also tap on sell your products on sales channels if you have your other channels right here. But in order for us to proceed with a tutorial on how to create a rental website, then we can now go on to designing our site. Okay, so Wix will ask you how would you like to design your site. You can ask a help from AI, or you can also pick from one of their templates, which is I strongly suggest. So tap on the second one here, which is pick a template. Then you will see here tons of party rental company website that you can choose or that you can use for your website. So these are the two best match, and it's up to you if you want to choose this one. So you can view before you edit, or you can tap on edit directly. And it says here enhance your AI content. You can also enhance, but actually this one is optional. So tap on the X option right here. As you can see on the left side, there is this add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business media and CMS. So suppose that you wanted to edit your template right here for your rental website, you can tap zoom or zoom in order for you to edit this uneasily. So here is your header. You can change the name of your website right here. Also, if you want to stretch this one out, so there are a lot of things that you can do. If you want to edit this, change the number, change this with the number of your company. You can do that. You can also tap this one right here. If you find it unnecessary, you can delete if you want. But basically, I'm going to show you how to edit at least the name right here. So all you have to do if you want to edit one, just click and tap on edit text. And this is the name of my rental site. I can edit this one right here. You can change the heading style. Okay, if you want to make it bigger, then everything is up to you. So this one also, you can change the image. So if you want to change the image, or if you have your own logo of your website company, then all you have to do is tap on change image. So if you do have, just tap on upload media, upload from your computer. But you can also find images on their or from their website or from Wix. You can tap media from Wix and then search for something like party and events. So for the sake of our tutorial, actually this is our logo. Tap this one right here, choose image. So once you're done on your header, you can now go to this part right here where you can add cap. In order for you to do that, just double click and then tap on edit, and then you can change everything here. Okay, so this is the name of my rental website. You can also add taglines right here. You can change the photo if you want. So all you have to do is just basically tap this one, change a background. You can tap this. If you have your own background, you just have to upload it from your computer, or you can also find from the media from Wix. Okay, and here it is. Okay, and then actually here below, if you want to edit, you just have to do the same thing. You can delete this part right here and then you can replace the picture. So talking about the features right here, if you want to add a section, for example, if you want to add a section right here, you just stop this one and then you have to look for add section. Okay, and then if you want to add something here, for example, if I tap on elements, and then if you want to add like button strip or let's just say gallery and so on, you just have to click and then upload. So let's just say if you want to add a gallery right here, and then you have to add slider gallery, tap this one, select this, it will be added here. And all you have to do is to replace each of the images. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you think that a page or section right here is unnecessary, you can also delete by tapping. Tap the three dots and then tap on delete. Now, if you go to add section like here, if you want to add, for example, like any of this, for example, contact, so that the customer can reach out to you easily, you can tap this one right here and select from any of the template below. So let's just say if you want this one, so all you have to do is to click this or just drag it directly to the section. And here it is. And all you have to do is to change this one. Okay, your address, your number, phone number, your website. You can also attach or set your social media links. All you have to do, copy the link of your Facebook, paste it right here for your Twitter, for your Instagram, for your LinkedIn, and you can also add more social media links right here. Okay, and then for pages and menu, if you tap this one right here, then you can see what's in the header. You can just basically change it if you want, for example, something like that. And if you want to add another menu, just tap it right here. You can add anchor, drop down, and so on. You can also add new page if you tap this one right here. And basically, you can also add like services, landing page, store, for example, if you tap services right here, tap this one here, site design. If you want to change the color theme, you can just change it right here. Okay, also if you want to change the base color, accent color, text theme, page background, page transition, just go to the support right here. Now, if you want to install or add some applications, or if you want to add your Wix store, just go to Wix App Market. You can install whatever you want application right here. For example, Stripe. If you want to accept payment method via Stripe, you can also go to the Wix website or Wix App Market and then search for the specific application and install this to your Wix store. Okay, so if you want to go to my business, if you want to set up your Wix store right here, just tap this one. You can manage your product. You can go directly to your dashboard, add store elements, manage pages, find product to sell, and so on. So for this one, you can just basically add your social media here. If you want to add more files, videos, if you want to add images from Wix library. So you can just basically go to this part and then drag this picture right here. Okay, if you know CMS, then this is how you locate that and add this site. As you can see, set up content collections, create 100 dynamic pages, collect info from site visitors. You just have to go to CMS right here. Now, once you are okay, then all you have to do is tap on preview. This is what it looks like, the preview version of my Wix store. Okay. And if you're okay with that, then all you have to do is tap on publish. So basically, this is how easy it is to create on Wix. So all you have to do is to copy your site right here and then paste and share this to your friends or to your clients. And once you tap that link, it will take them directly to your Wix rental website. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.